Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Civil Engineering X. In this video today we will be going to learn about how to derive 1 bag of cement is equal to 1.226 cubic feet. So without further delay, let us start. As we all know, density of cement is equals to 1440 kg per meter cube. We know the density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. So for 1 meter cube cement required is 1440 kg. For 1 meter cube cement required is 1440 kg. So as we know, 1 bag of cement is equals to 50 kg. Whichever bag that you are using inside, every bag comes in the standard weight of 50 kg. Therefore, for 1 meter cube cement required will be 1440 divided by 50, which is 28.8 bags. 28.8 bags. Now also we know 1 meter cube is equals to 35.3147 cubic feet. 1 meter cube is always equals to 35.3147 cubic feet, or 1 meter cube is equals to 28.8 bags. As you can see here, 28.8 bags is equals to 35.3147 cubic feet. Therefore 1 bag is equals to 35.3147 divided by 28.8, which will be equals to 1.226 cubic feet. So here is the derivation on how 1 bag of cement is equals to 1.226 cubic feet. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and hope you like this video.